Well, good morning, everyone. Hope everyone had a pleasant and safe holiday weekend. While we're at it, we just posted the link to the comment forum, and I thought I would refresh the YouTube tutorial. So we're going to begin by looking at the email that you see in front of you here, and it contains the link. Now, you may have this link in any one of a number of other emails, but if you have this, left click on that link and you'll see it opens up a tab, and I'm going to go over a few items here. First of all, one thing that we have found is that these red asterisks indicate a required mandatory field, and if you do not have those filled in, you may be clicking the submit and nothing is happening, even though it kind of looks like it is. Okay, and it will say this field is required. So let's go through this, and I'm sure you've seen all this before. Now I'm going to leave one of these blank after a time. I'm sure you've seen all this before. Now this is my computer pre-filling because I've been there before. Now let's say you have left off the phone number here, okay? And email address is optional. And here again, we're going to put in Liberty. I'm typing Liberty Water and Trotterdale Oro Sewer Company. Now here the docket number. The docket number I'm getting from the docket site. I'm going to start to type the SW-0431 whatever. Okay. SW-0431. Now, what we have found is the list of docket numbers is so long that if you don't narrow it down, you're going to see a large list in the 85 won't appear. But if you type that much of it, you can scroll down here or just type the whole thing and click. Now, here's what's important. The correct docket description will appear. You will see that. If that doesn't appear, then you really haven't picked that docket. And I know it says optional, but we want to make sure it gets recorded. Now, here is the against, and I'm simply going to let the good folks at the ACC know that we're playing around here. Okay, so again, I've left the phone blank, which is in the phone type blank, and those are required fields. Now here's what happens. You see that even though I've clicked submit, nothing happens because the errors don't show up. They're up above. And I have talked to at least one person who indicated they have clicked submit, but they did not receive a confirming message, an acknowledging message. So let me show you what this should look like when it works correctly. Now you know where to find me. Okay. Now when I click submit, notice carefully the difference. What happens here? You see this spinning clock, some delay, meaning your request is being processed, and you get this nice thank you for submitting your comment. And if you did supply an email address up above, you get this message and you will receive an acknowledging email. If you don't get at least this message, thank you for submitting your comment, you really didn't submit your comment. It's not on file. I've seen a number of names in other discussions that aren't yet appearing. And I know these are diligent people and they have expressed an opinion, but their comments aren't showing up in the docket records. So please give that a try. Fill the form in completely. Make sure when you click submit, well, first of all, make sure that you fill out all the fields that are indicated with a red star. And then when you do fill in your opinion and click submit, that you do get this acknowledging message and possibly a confirming email. Okay, if there's any questions with that, please feel free to reply to this email, and this will be up on YouTube momentarily.